Hi everybody, it's Rob again. Hopefully you're having a good evening. I'm just installing or finishing up the bracket for the Auxbeam 8 gang multi-function switch that is Bluetooth. Future plans for a head unit that has Android on it. It works on the phone. It's quite amazing. So with the Cherokee there isn't much room. Sorry about the bad lighting here, guys. I just showing you around. As you can see, there isn't really much room. I do have the FIPK system for a AFE or AEF. I always forget. That's a dry filter. The other place I could think of is cramming it in here, but it'd have all the dust and things flying by. Obviously, I can't do it up here. There's absolutely no room. So conclusion was, after watching a few videos online, that the back firewall would be best. And as you can see, I have removed and dropped the flashlight. Sorry about that. I have removed the two bolts holding the hood hinge. Sorry, it's been a long day. I've had migraines all weekend, so trying to do this install. There's also the bracket for the emissions evap pump. This pumps all the gas. You might hear this tick 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 sound, but this takes the gas from your fuel tank that evaporates and puts it back into the engine and burns it off. So there's two bolts there. Sorry, it's hard to see again, but there you go. And then the two bolts here. So that being said, I came up with a paper bracket first template. Worked out great. I just sorry, out of focus, made this bracket out of paper that would go here, and a little tab that sort of broke off here, but that would slip in behind the screws. Sorry, it's just a flimsy piece of paper. So overall the shape of it was like this. So there you go, guys. Not the best picture, but in the end I added a little bit of pieces of metal here. Sorry, metric, not imperial measurements there. But in any case, in the end, I came up with this, just standard aluminum. We all worked in high school and shops. Basically, this is a baking sheet that you can buy. Unfortunately, they're like 21 bucks locally now, but this is so much lighter than the one that comes in the box. Plus, it's universal. This is gonna fit perfectly with the Cherokee mount, as you can see. So, and I put a little screw hole there for the screw, and the other one I can reach from underneath. And then the side bracket I extended here for the little breaker that will screw onto there. And then, of course, the main unit will go on there. And then again, this piece, sorry for the bad camera angle, still doing one-handed. There you go. And I checked the clearance in the hood. It just makes it. The one thing, if you do have the hood lamp, you will have to unbolt this cord because it is taut. I'll have to just reroute the cord around the bracket, and that should be it. Hopefully this is gives you guys some answers where to mount something. It doesn't have to be this. Obviously other people have Switch Pros and stuff. This thing is pretty low profile, but who knows what else you might want to put in there or that spot. Again, not much room. I have Ace cruise control, so that is taking up this spot, and the battery, as you can see, there's no clearance. So hopefully it gives you guys some help and advice. Again, hopefully the bracket will be painted, but it's too cold to paint right now. As you can see, there's steam coming off me, so it is pretty cold. Anyways, have a great evening, guys. Keep on wheeling and keep on modding. Thank you. Bye.